So let me tell you some of our customer success stories. Let me tell you some other stories about companies that we've dealt with, clients that we've had. Clients started with no knowledge and 10 trucks, grew to over 300 trucks and a solid safety program in a very short period of time. And they are still rocking it today. We had a client that had crazy turnover rates, and I'm talking 400% kind of turnover rates. Craziness. They had 16 crashes in a year. When they came to us, they were at their wits' end. They were in an unsatisfactory rating. They had a limited amount of time to fix it, and they didn't know what to do. So we took them. They were upgraded to a conditional rating, temporarily conditional. And the way I look at it is you have satisfactory, conditional, and unsatisfactory ratings. If we can get you up to a conditional rating, that gives us time to work on then your CSA scores, to work on all that other stuff. We're going to start working on all of that stuff before we even submit that request. So yeah, they had to deal with an unsatisfactory rating for just a minute. We told the DOT exactly what our plan was, what we planned on doing about it, and we welcomed them when they came back to check up on us, to put us back into that satisfactory rating from the conditional that they gave us temporarily. So they were able to reduce their turnover rate, go to 0 accidents, and get a satisfactory rating after their compliance review. One of our clients was flagged in 4 of the 7 basics. 4 of the 7 basics. They went to 0 flags. 0 flags, no violations. They had a few warnings here and there. They had some, but they were well under the threshold. The CSA scores dropped significantly. They started working together cohesively as a team. So how did they all do this, right? How has all of these clients, how's all these stories related to what I'm going to talk to you about? All of them listened. They paid attention. They wanted to make a difference. They took our live seminars. They had us come into their office. But the biggest thing is that the content and the training materials that we provided to them helped them understand what they were doing, why they were supposed to be doing it, and how to implement it. So that's what I've brought this to an online training course. But I'm not even trying to talk to you about that right now. I just want you to know that we are offering an online training course for $2,989 is the value of what you're going to get out of that. And we're giving it to you for $1,297. It's a 56% discount. There is no reason not to take advantage of this because it's not going to be around forever. I'm seriously telling you, we're not giving this discount to everybody. If you go on our website and you look at our online training courses and how much they cost $2,989 whenever you add in what we're giving to you. So the online course consists of 11 different classes. It's 11 classes, 11 topics valued at $1,297 by itself. So by itself, if you go online right now and look at our website, you're going to see that those courses by themselves cost $1,297. But we're actually offering you for a limited period of time. By the end of this webinar, if you do not click on that button and register for those online courses, then you're not going to get that discount. But you're going to get the 11 classes. You're going to get full DOT compliance systems. So all of the stuff that's in our flash drive, what I call our flash drive or a DOT compliant full compliance management system, you're going to get all of that content, which is valued at $795. You're going to get that included. It's free. You're also going to get 3 months of our exclusive VIP customer email and phone support, which means you're going to get extra content. You're going to get access that nobody else gets. We have our regular membership that people that subscribe and download our ebooks and things like that, they get the membership and they can talk to our community and, you know, kind of answer questions back and forth. This is way more involved. Our exclusive membership involves email and phone support. So as you're working through these 11 classes, as you're working through the process, you can call us. You can book time with me, book time specifically with me and talk to me about your specific needs, your specific problems. How are you going to address this? And I'm going to walk you through that. Believe me, that is unheard of. I don't even go to clients' offices anymore. I have team members that do that. And my whole goal is to be able to teach you what I know, to get all this knowledge that's in my brain and give it to you.